Warehouse safety. Why is safety so important? Well, to start, it supports morale, which is the most important reason of all. Also, economics. Many costs can result from accidents and injuries, cost to the company and cost to the injured person, as well as it is the law. State and federal laws require companies to maintain safety and compliance programs. If you see something, say something. Always report any incidents or safety concerns immediately. Not reporting incidents could cost you your job. When it comes to blood and bodily fluids, always treat them as if they were infectious. You do not work around anybody you know well enough to assume they do not have something. Always wear appropriate PPEs when dealing with bodily fluids, and only provide first aid if you have been trained and certified. And if you must provide CPR or use a defibrillator, make sure to call 911. Many positions require the use of PPEs, including but not limited to steel-toe boots, shoes, back belts, safety glasses, freezer suits, which are your responsibility to purchase and have ready when reporting to work. Your facility manager should discuss these needs with you prior to your assignment. Other PPE may be required and training on their use is mandatory, such as respirators, machine operation, etc. Never use any PPE if you do not understand how it works or have not been trained on its use. Ergonomics means improving the fit between your body and an activity, like adjusting a workstation so you can work more efficiently and more comfortable. Musculoskeletal disorder is where a muscle may ache if it is strained or overused. Posture can be a problem if you slouch, bend, twist, or reach too far. Awkward postures overwork soft tissues and joints. The body needs good blood flow to work well. When conditions restrict blood flow, muscles and tendons are more easily damaged. Stretching out pre-shift, after breaks and lunch, and after any cool-down periods will help improve blood flow and is required by most companies' policies. Stay neutral by lining up your ears, shoulders, and hips. Keep your head upright and relaxed while you do this. And remember, take good habits home as well. Remember, when it comes to powered industrial equipment, only operate what you have been trained and certified to be on. Always perform your pre-use inspection and always make sure to report any issues or malfunctions to your assigned facility supervisor or manager. When it comes to forklift and pallet jacks, always look in the direction of travel before moving the equipment the first inch. Stop your equipment completely before dismounting. Keep all parts of your body within the confines of the equipment. With electric pallet jacks, it's very important to make sure your feet are completely on the deck. When traveling through doorways and intersections, always remember to slow down, stop, blow your horn, and yield to all traffic. Pedestrians always have the right of way. You always have to perform a pre-trip equipment inspection. Remember, forklift drivers have the right of way while stocking. All their operators must stay 4 bays away. Watch for debris and spills on the floor. Pick up debris and clean up all spills prior to passing. And then remember, travel base first, forks, or product trailing, except while moving short distances. Remember, when it comes to lockout and tagouts, never remove a tag or enable a piece of equipment that you did not lock out yourself. Do not try to fix a piece of equipment on your own, and make sure to let your supervisor or manager know about your piece of equipment. As part of your orientation, you will be shown where the safety data sheet binder is. Every employee in the facility should be able to locate, as it contains all pertinent info as to each chemical in the facility, such as storage, labeling, and proper cleanup methods. Docks are one of the most dangerous places to work in the warehouse. Remember, do not jump off the dock. Use employee or pedestrian doorways. Never park equipment on dock ramps. Do not take the equipment up or down ramps without being trained or instructed to do so, and always check your trailer has been locked or chocked before going in. It's very important you never climb in the racks, and never leave the ground without properly checking your harness or lanyard equipment. As part of your orientation, fire and emergency, severe weather, and tornado evacuation policies will be covered. Should you notice smoke or fire, notify your facility manager or supervisor immediately. When it comes to pallets, make sure to not step on, stand on, climb on, or stack product on damaged or dirty pallets. Report any damaged or dirty pallets to your supervisor or facility manager. So remember, warehouse safety is important because we want you to leave the way you arrive, happy and healthy. We want you to make money, and most importantly, we don't want to break the law.